here on pages, right over here the left hand side. I'm gonna go to pages, and then we're gonna select the branch right over here. So our HTML is not on the main, but it is in the master. We need to ensure that you have selected the right branch. Then we're gonna save our changes. Next, we're gonna go here to actions, and voila, our page is building. So you're gonna click to view the entire process as it's happening. So this is what's really happening. You can select, click on build. You can see how everything is building and so on. So that's the good thing with GitHub, like it shows you what's really happening. Wow, that's amazing. And report build status here. It's not yet done, we're still waiting, and then it'll be here on deploy, and then it's gonna show like complete job. So I started. I think the process depends on the speed of your internet. At some point, let's say your process can crash. The reason might be like GitHub has not tracked any index.html, so you need to ensure that you have index.html in your code. Then here on complete job, we're gonna click on it to view the link to our website. It's live. So once we click it, it's gonna open. We have hosted our first GitHub application. What? File not found? You must provide an index.html file. Alright, so let's just review a little bit on our web. I think we might have messed a little bit. So let's go to our branch master, and we have we actually misspelled. Yeah, so what we'll be doing is we can fix it right over here, and then we're gonna push the changes. So we're gonna rename it. Oh, it's supposed to be index.html. Well, so we're gonna do git. Alright, gonna do git add, then git commit. Commit is just like a message, the message that the changes that you made. So git commit, and then for this one I'm just gonna say changed to file name. You can make it long if you want. Then I'm gonna do git push. So because we're already on branch master, definitely we're gonna push our changes. And if we head to our repository, then we refresh it on GitHub, voila, yeah, right over here. So the file name has already changed, so we can go ahead into settings and go ahead into pages and go right over here. We have everything selected, and go into actions just to rebuild everything to ensure that everything is working as intended. Yeah, so that is done. This one is working on. Yeah, then it's already done. So it's deploying. Wow, complete job. So let's see. Right over here, if you click on it again, we have our website. So we can share this link and you can check it. So I'm gonna share this link on the YouTube description, so that means you guys can go ahead and visit. So I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna share it with you guys. So that's how you can just host an application on GitHub pages. It's quite simple, it's nothing complicated. So the mistake that we made is we actually misspelled the name index.html. So you need to have index.html in your page, and that means you can host your application free of charge and you can share it. You can build your portfolio, share it instead of buying a domain which will cost you a couple of dollars, and yet you can do it for free. So that's it for this video. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.